Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my updated makeup routine. It's very simple, very easy. I wear this every day. You guys requested this, so I'm going to show you how I do it and which product I'm currently using and loving. First of all, and no surprise, I like to moisturize my face always before putting and applying any foundation. And I've been loving the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream for the face, for my skin, and also the eye cream. And I also like the Laura Mercier, the hydrating, silicone-free primer. I love the eye cream. It's so creamy and rich, and I use it before applying the makeup and also before going to bed. I'm going to apply the primer, and what I love about this one is that it's super hydrating and moisturizing, especially during the summertime. I feel like my skin needs that even more. Honestly, I haven't used a foundation since the lockdown, so it's been 1.5 years, and I don't mind because I've replaced it with Tinted Moisturizer, and I've been loving this one from Laura Mercier. It's oil-free, it has SPF 20, so you definitely need to use SPF separately. What I really love about it is that it gives space to my skin to be there. Everything is visible, all the pores, or all the skin is visible, but it still gives something. It gives a beautiful glow. I'm gonna show you. I don't have to explain everything. I can simply just show you. The benefit of a tinted moisturizer is that it's super hydrating and it's very light, so I love to apply it just like I applied my moisturizer because it's so creamy. You can easily rub it on your skin just like a cream, a facial cream. So when I'm in a hurry in the morning, I don't have to worry about using a foundation brush or a sponge. I simply just do this, knowing that I have a layer on my skin. It gives a beautiful glow, and it's done in less than 30 seconds. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, it gives a beautiful glow. My skin is still visible. It doesn't cover much, but there's something on your skin. You can definitely tell. So that's why I've been loving a tinted moisturizer. Next, I'm going to use a concealer, and when it comes to my under eye, I go full coverage always, and I've been loving this one from It, Bye Bye Under Eye. It's full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof, and it's definitely a product that you just need a tiny bit of because it's so rich, but it covers everything. So this is the amount that I'm going to use. I'm sorry, Massimo in the back is getting his dinner, so he can be impatient sometimes. So as you can see, this tiny amount gives you enough product for under your eyes, and I just use my fingers to rub it in the skin, and you can tell the difference already. It's definitely waterproof, which is amazing because during summertime when you sweat and it's hot outside, you don't want the concealer end up on your cheeks. So that's why I love it, besides the fact that it gives a good coverage. And that's really the only products that I use that gives a lot of coverage for the skin, because it's only a small area of the face, not completely all over my face. And this is what it looks like. It's like the darker circles are gone. I look like I've slept for 12 hours, which is I haven't, but it's good that you look fresh and awake. And I'll let this set in, and I'm going to continue to the bronzer, and after that I'm going to use the translucent powder under my eyes. I'm going to use this one from Jen Atkin and e.l.f. I love their bronzer. I love the palette. It comes with amazing colors, very easy, natural, beautiful colors, so you can create smoky eyes with them, but you can also keep it very natural and simple. First dab a little bit, and then with circular motion just apply the bronzer, and then a little bit on my chin and the forehead. and on the tip of my nose. And a little bit on my eyelids. So I'm gonna apply the translucent powder under my eyes to make sure that the concealer stays in place, and if I want to apply eyeshadow, that if it falls under my eyes, I can easily remove it. So I just dab in a tiny bit just under my eyes. I'm not using too much because I love the dewy look that the previous products create on my skin, so I don't want to hide that by using the translucent powder. So just this area and on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on the forehead, and a tiny bit on the chin, just a little bit everywhere, tiny bit here and there. We're gonna move on to the blush. Also using this one, just keeping it with this palette. It's easy, it's quick, so I like to smile and just dab. And work my way up. And then a little bit on my eyelids as well. I love blush, it's my favorite makeup product. I cannot live without it. And sometimes I use a little bit too much of it, but that's okay. Eyebrows. I love to use a tinted brow gel because I think it gives my eyebrows a lighter color that's similar to my hair color. So I just brush the hairs upwards. You can already tell the difference. It makes the look softer. So a eye pencil, also from John Atkin Elf, and I simply just close my eyes and then apply this on the waterline of my eyes, just to create a very, very soft smoky eye. Very soft, you barely see it. It just adds a bit of shadow, very close to the lash line. So I put it up and then I close my eye and then I go left and right all the way. I'm feeling the product against my eyelids. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I am also using Anastasia Beverly Hills because I think her products are the best when it comes to eyebrows. And I'm using the Brow Duo in the color Chocolate. And I love to mix the two. And I'm basically just filling any gaps, and I draw a longer line at the end of my eyebrows because they're a bit short, so. And I don't go all the way in. I let this area just be light and just the hairs do the work, not filling them all the way in, because that will create a very harsh line. The same thing on the other side. That's it. And mascara, using this one from Maybelline, the Colossal. So I close my eyes a little bit and then brush the lashes up. This way I'm creating the volume. I'm gonna wait for the first layer to dry before applying the second layer. This way you can create more volume. Layer on the lower lashes as well. I'm gonna go in with another layer, and this is the final layer, but just to create more volume. For the lips, I am going to use this lipstick with lip pencil 2-in-1. This one is by Elf and Jen Atkin, and this is in color Self-Made Pink. Okay. And then with the lipstick, just dabbing it on my lips. And this is the finished look. This is my daily go-to look, 20 minutes, very easy, using a few products. This is like very clean, and the products are amazing and they stay in place all day. So this is also very important. And that's it for today's look. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and comment below. Let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. I haven't been posting much lately, but I'm trying to come back to YouTube with these very cool short videos that are helpful and fun. So please let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Mwah.